I just thought I'd make a wee video here about the 3-year warranty you get with Lidl, whatever you pronounce it. This hose here was an offer a year and a half ago, over a year and a half ago. This was an offer, and my local branch, Javan, didn't have this one in stock. There's two of them. It's only about £15 difference. The smaller one didn't have the hose that rolled up and stuff, and it wasn't as powerful. I wasn't so much worried about the powerful, but I liked the idea of the hose rolling up, and it was much longer, easy to wash things. Because I'll be using it for gutters and stuff like that, most of them washing cars. The first time I used it, plugged in, it started working okay. See the water coming out the bottom? The water started to come out the bottom. It was still working. I was still using it. Didn't notice the water was coming out the bottom. I noticed the water. I thought this was leaking, but the water's coming out of the bottom. There's wee grills in the bottom, so obviously there's some from this. But see, the problem is here, my local store didn't have one in stock. I'm going to turn this water off now before I flood the whole shed. Water's off now. So it was only used the once. I had to take the squeegee bottle off for the serial number. The serial number is there behind, so I want the serial number. The wee squeegee bottle's lying in the other shed. But it's only been used the once, and the water's leaking. I can't be safe that there, like. But the wee booklet that comes with it says, if any problems with it, not to return to your local store, to ring this number. And at that time, with long COVID and all the rest, and I had brain fog and all that, but I didn't have the receipt. Because the friend was in England driving this lorry. I rang him, and he got his partner to go down to the Limmer Valley branch and get one. So it was about 4 weeks before I even got it, before he was off and he brought it up to me. And once I used it and seen the water coming out, of course I rang him up, any chance you got that receipt? And of course, she hadn't got the receipt. The trick was lost. I lay there. I couldn't be arsed, just lay there. But about 3 months after that, 4 months after that, he came up with the receipt. She found the receipt. And I threw the receipt into the box. And see, the box is all faded now lying in the shed. I just threw the receipt into the box, and it lay there for over a year. I knew it was coming up to the year. Maybe I should get it sorted out before the warranty, but I couldn't find the wee booklet by that time. And there's wee Luna. There's Luna. And we're doing tied up with the shed now, you see. Getting all the stuff read up. But I rang then. That's over a month ago now. I rang over a month ago. And I told them the reason why I'm late is because I didn't have the receipt. So was it just slightly over a year and a half from I got the machine. So I didn't know that the only complicated bit there was I had a UK number. So me being UK, I rang the UK number. And she asked me, are you UK? And I says, aye. I said, what part of the UK are you in? I says, Northern Ireland. Oh, with another number. So that could be get a wee bit of political there, like, they need to get that sorted out, the geography. Well, she gave me an Irish number then, and it was a southern call centre. Rang up the one in the southern call centre, and of course it's always the wrong time you ring them up, isn't it? They said, oh, if you'd rang an hour earlier, we could have got straight through your engineer, I can pass this on, but it could take 3-4 weeks. Boy, if you ring and tomorrow morning first thing and all the rest, you get through the engineer right away, so that's alright. I left it another day or so. And the Friday morning then I rang, and I got another woman in from the engineer, and she asked for the serial number, and no problem, wouldn't matter had the receipt or not, once she had the serial number. She says, what we'll do, we're going to send you out a new unit, but it'll be the base unit, so that's this part. You have to use your hose and all the rest. Now normally the wee ones, the hose is not on them. This big one, the hose is on. I'm sure it's all changeable. And she says that we'll post one out to you, and if you're happy with the new model, just dispose of your old one. Didn't want it back. Didn't ask for it back. Well, that was a Friday. The Monday, this arrived. Now I'm saying that, it's here a month, I still haven't got it out of the box. But this arrived then on the Monday. And I tore it open just to make sure, like. It's the whole complete unit. Everything is in there. Even the shampoo. So that's a year and a half after something breaking down. Most people it's 30 days. And the same out a complete brand new unit. You can't get better than that, can you, like? Now I haven't tried it out. But I might try it out today, you know. What's that there? Wee push button. See, I don't even know how the thing works. Wee push button. They only have it once. So the caravan we're doing now, I'm going to get the caravan shot, you know. A wee bit of algae on it. We're doing a wee bit of power wash, I reckon. So we might get her out this evening. So that's all there is now, see that.